This warning has been issued by the Toledo State Police Department. This is a reminder of the previous civil danger warning issued on October 11, 2025. We have some updates regarding the strange mist anomalies. Please pay close attention. The mist is still experiencing the same anomalies in these past couple of days, with an exception. Some guards that are at the main barricade points have heard banging, as if someone or something is trying to break through it. We have also received very worrying reports. Some citizens who are neighboring the local county have reported random pumpkins appearing overnight in random areas. Please do not panic. Some of these may be Halloween decorations or people trying to scare you. You can tell if it's one of those pumpkins by its zombie face or unknown red veins. If you see pumpkins like this, then immediately call the Toledo Police Department or the Anomaly Research Facility and leave the area until support arrives. We are trying to prevent what happened last year. Please remain highly vigilant at this current time. Always report something suspicious. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.